and then I'm gonna ride bicycle around the Central Park. I mean, guys, there's not even that many clouds. I cannot believe that there will be, you know, storm soon. Oh my god, guys, look at the sky. Help! This is not good. Oh! Something went inside my eye. Oh my god! Storm is coming! Oh! Oh! Both my eyes. Oh! I can't open my eyes. Oh my god! This is not good. It's a disaster. Help, guys! Oh! 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 Help us! Ah! Oh, leaf! Leaf on my arm!
The day where the heavens interfered and decided that enough is enough. A proper shower is a must after years of evading water. Embrace it fully and you will come out as a redeemed child of rain.
We're only this much. This is not good. Do you think we'll be able to make it? Oh my god! Ah! Leaf hit my face! It's like right before apocalypse. Oh my god. Oh my god.
GT.
Oh, it's raining a lot. Oh my god, it's raining a
There's
lot.
no knowing where we're going.
I hate it. Oh. Ah! Oh my god. It's raining a lot. Oh my god. Okay, this is very bad. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Ah. Guys. Oh no! This is like shower. This is like actually shower. It's so bad. This is really bad. Oh, Shiba. Oh my god, okay. This is very bad. Ah, I can't open my eyes. Oh, my eyes.
Should rented a boat instead of a bike. This just means she's not gonna shower for another 3 days.
Yay, free shower! Okay, it's very near. You just have to go there. You have to go a little bit more. Oh, shit. Oh, Central Park. Oh, why is it closed?